I GC News, Mema Olivia Akwaba. I had the latest and hot news in Kwan, and I did a premo. I don't see se we now subscribe ya, or more than say over subscribe. You'll be honest, over click a subscribe button. Now, obey notification. We understand I need you be a bear upload, also once I can be. I feel we are now what like give us a thumbs up, nothing. Share my say was so. Share na ofoforo na we dey be here na wo munya ekoso e wo Ghana memo hanu afi ye hwe eye ensema abeto ye proso iti eye nsebo ya ekoso iti
Deputy Minister no one na ado yiyi ye keka na adwen kire president mayana wo so Deputy Minister wanya de wo muwa de gwen Deputy Minister wo muwa de wo jina president anim onu ne ewunie wutimi hwe president anim keka wadwen poto ka kire so pa ojiwadi hey Deputy Minister Bawumia bodyguard ne office of the president one ya bono no smart padi na gwa obi o me de me mo obi adi o obi abu obi etoda ya na me rante sa na me ka sam kitikiti bia no odin a eno na mo concentrate wo ho mo amoyesa na mo nyansa na wo fam bibini au bibini ye nipa o kwase mpani se asampetia de ntia etia ne se de ewo na office ye di watam ya ye wo no ye to no twene papa no ne ye fama ne ye tietia
Captain Smart, the king of morning.
And to say ya me no kasa no school for na cultural exams ye ma no abind the wire keka
Juicy news on YouTube. Hot news all time. Juicy news on YouTube. Hot news all time.
Eti abaina ye confused. Eno me catch her Honorable Dr. Yaw Editum. Many new be my friend Elijah. When and ye kesi ani say current Ashanti regional minister. Ashanti regional minister. Simon Mensah na Simon say Mensah. Oya me MP. Me te stresso, me wo dan e wo stresso. Me han. Ana me catch her say Honorable ade ye ya wo ye. Wo man constituency nkoye. Ha den. Me nchirem. Wo ka Japan document na edu baby na original one pa correct one na ye use no na ni din wo. So ya ade bi dodo. Onne jombo adu. Document nyame na mtro yo. Ba ma menti free hon chen kakra na memra. Ejapade sa na efe no. Document no bia suro so be ka ho asem okrum ha. Me Onua the entire Onua team yen and yet we dey Ejapade to TV so. Me phone no wa ha nka me kire o. Gabi o kire da ko send me message. Gabi ani abre. Ofra me mprenu mamfa. Ena o send me text message. Owie no de WhatsApp pay so. When if it's a sad document no be a slow so be kan ho asem Ghana ha. It took me and my team we did 2 TV so. On say obi e kan Japade because they said your boy kwan ni ho a asafofo ntimi ntwa so. Se twafo hene ni ho a asafofo omundu ntwa so. To be boy kwan ni to say na obi e kan Japade. Meja ma mo nkoso. Men kan bi because me be ni na mpese Ghana fo hunu His Excellency the President of the Republic of this country Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo Addo me ka konwe ya meteso wambada se no wadwe mbone ene number 1 chimiye do na eni ni trim so be ma man ya etroka number 3 na owo pepa sanka main sadie we DJ Kufu any pain and I'm saying this on authority I am okay DJ Kufu mpese ebeka Nana Addo never liked Kufu from day one into to be catch and so a rotten cassava when bisan say Kosunyane then you see before Kwabena Agyapong became the campaign manager of Nana Addo Mumusa but you know what DJ Kufu did after say look at this listen to me carefully after Sunyane and everything.
You are watching Juicy News on
Kwabena
YouTube.
Agyapong.
Hot news
No,
all time.
Obeye Nana
You
do
are
Dampare
watching Juicy
Akufo
News
Addo.
on YouTube.
The
Hot
campaign
news all
manager
time.
in Echino. Kufo Fano as the presidential press secretary. Kufo ba am no be your mind na on your political party. It is Kufo ase. Kufo is an encromiast. Take it or leave it. Kufo ye no. Obe some ye will roll in some mewa. Coup maker. Obi a waye coup. Ede je Kufo kosom ho. The reason is that you can hate Nkrumah. Anytime you hate Nkrumah, you can never date your future. If you hate Kwame Nkrumah, you can never date your future. So Kufo saw Rawlings as an Nkrumahist, despite everything. And he joined him just about 6-7 months as a minister of state. And Kufo became president. And Asante Hima told him, say Ghana for Kwame Nkrumah no, yen Kwame Nkrumah no, tiasima Asante Hima kachire kwa J Kufo, Ghana for Kwame Nkrumah, yen Kwame Nkrumah, wo Kwame Nkrumah no, se wunya asem papa bi anka mfa no ho a, kwa no tum, na papa no oye bosom. Ojai! Bisa J Kufo, wushana bisa msem boa, and Kufo chum ding about him. Back to Edichum, who got some refi. Edichum in Elijah, Yenny and the buy. And the one kunsa. Simon or Mensah, Bessin, Papa Panem Pemasami and some Tulifia Kunyaso as member of parliament. Me, Nam Dubisika, a printed poster. And now, Honorable Edichum, Abema, Elijah, on also Caho. Near a branch of your tone, we are. You find a prince or the Lily, on also the printed posters. First one, Edichum, say, Paddy, Meguase. Second one, my third one, I'm sending a message. Okay, one man me doing me bodia. But I was joking anyway. And Obisam said, "We are sure Sammy buy a one." And I'm saying, "Look, Honorable, I have toured the entire constituency. I bought 3 motorbikes because of the new patriotic party. What are you talking about?" But the secret told moto Mensah. I branch to be a friend Yakubu Tonyedu or Kumase, Ushana Busano. On the question me alagia. Obeton motos na mame mitua me enu ka na ka ba ko na mitua half no o se me ye MPP ni nti o de ache me ti mitua moto miensa no mitua 2.5 na educhum ba no be woni but honorable educhum minimum very well one ye careful who say once the bebre apiegu bi jonso so a educhum timi who said once na baby, and you once na mpobi o. You once na the once na mpobi. Who said once na baby atiego bi jun so a. Enye asichire na wom. Wo ka kyen so da so ye be ma. Gwen. Ojai. What about you? Me say. Who said be ma bi ajun so agu baby. Na once na gusu baby ya. Enye asichire na wo jun so nim. Once na kai ne se bra. Wo da ye be ma. Ojai. It is say ya me no ka say ya man we school. What exams? You're marking because I buy at the WAEC. Napo, no, your education minister. Ne mami your friend, say me mami your friend agi. Otimankesi miskapa mantem. Napo mami your friend say. Your friend say. Ofri him. Ashanti region esumpa. Napo mami kroben so ofri Ashanti region. Your friend say. You are
watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time. You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
One person di eja betu edi wachi a memfa kerosene tetere ya fa ne kerosene ensi wa pampam Ashanti region kakrake na napone ma mikro benzo no firi
mo wanim bie
me ma so bia ya politician no ojai me ma mi firi gro benzo I don't know what the mammy did. Ojai, Sabia Bru Sabia Nyado. Yewra Club ya Santo Kotoko Hene. 2 state to Ababio. Mira, more Nyado. Mache Bru. O Kachi bi Ghana fantasy. O say Akwadai. Me tete no. Fantasy. China na yewra ka no. Akwadai. Me tete no. ha anti bi or tetebe so we ma make catch now ba me no bro
Captain Smart, the king of morning shows.
ha anti bi tetebe anti ama or tetebe ha so won pese huntenhunu be hu okokora mataro wachi a jai se wo bro raba no hete won pese huntenhunu be hu de taro wachi a embro raba the techman for there
King of morning shows. Listen to the king of morning shows.
And then Akufo can brofo, if you don't want your back to be seen, don't swim in a shallow water. The reason is that or maybe I would nipa baako pe ewom mre bia mu a wo gro no ho a o man ni wo benya asem.
Listen to the king.
Metifie 2 weeks
shows.
Officially me frey say be 10 days leave akotram ma me nche ma fi agini me papa koye ma de. Why was I trending more than any other presenter sitting on TV and radio?
And he is smart. He is unique. He is.
Say ya me no ka say do. Oh. I don't person me movie into the Kwame Nkrumah area. Bibinti.
Captain.
One half. But we are tiafaso.
Listen to the king of morning shows.
And could I not try exams? You're marking. Because why I can see Onisika. Only bet you have markers. No.
Wait.
Number 2. If you made a gun about bad there. Fi Kwame Nkrumah time. Besi ne. Time men ye macro exams are. Won't you see schools?
Le.
School akwala adebeko. Dabio. No, Ghana for. Sa by way and co-position on. Yan to abandon tia Bawumia. Ne running mate mo fancy. Sa ba ante bi no. Sierra Leone no. Office Sierra Leone.
Mo fastiano emami. Mo memistiano.
Ojai.
Na po Ghana ni.
Ojai.
Is he a Ghanaian? I am asking him to come here. An uncle station be or comfortable. Top 4, say Ghana for presenters, I can say top 4. Uncle top 4 no be a stations non from me. Or Ghana ni offering them my friends say. If they don't go, woman co-position, I am telling you today. What the men boy be brem or had to say them a tam woman Akufo and Mahama no. But I'm catching out. If you say, ya try in quadra exams.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time. You are watching Juicy News on YouTube.
School,
Hot news all time.
Le.
Mami kantre minuanum asantefo a wo MPP mu say. Party we mpanifo adi anim sese no. Wo mo ye mo le.
Le.
Me na me catch now. What do I do? They want to discredit every Ashanti in the new patriotic party.
Wait.
One person ma Ashanti ni bi owo MPP mu no. Oluku useless. So that next time we you tia. Omaga so fa so na pona mu no. Kra no. When kwade om de ye no. Or your education minister.
Wait.
Head on my free senior high school, yeah. Obey your energy minister. Head on body I know. Also, what true apology, I'm coming, Nkrumah Samokai. One more man sign.
Wait.
Said the next time, so you need to solve a president. They can say, shut up. The founder of Ghana, Kwabena Agyarko, no. We say, what true apology letter. Went to be and sign. Jane Dimechi. Maintain a poll, if not for anything. Kufo is from Apejafie. Addo Kufo is from Apejafie. Whether yes or no, Napo grew our Apejafie. Eti ebua me woma Apejafie for no. The same ubuo and woma Napo. But the same say, Okran kasafun. Wutin teso to hinadu animu a. Wodo wabatwa na edi.
Sure.
What tiase. It's your numpono.
Sure.
Yes, say doom so.
Captain Smart. The morning shows. He is smart.
Obi ofre bia na asem ni nipa no won tokwa. Cause who wrote
The king of morning shows.
You see? Eti asantefo a mo wa MPP mu no mo ma dwi mu na o te se je ekufo.
Mama wanim bie
Ene e kan as a nipa ni bi nti ase.
Mama wanim bie open your eyes.
Open your eyes.
Mama wanim bie open your eyes.
Obi ka se mo wanim mi oni watem o pa che se open your eyes.
Mama wanim bie open your eyes.
The attorney say these Achim mafias, they have decided say the largest regional constituency for the new patriotic party is the Ashanti region. If you don't discredit that region, anybody can come up next time, run up, and then become the leader, and then we'll be in trouble. Senti Sanka, won to me, the regional chairman da. If you say a okun war, a phone nyansafo a yetasen krofodi animu.
Wani.
It's in quadratro exams. Yentimi market. It's in quadrantin choose school sombeko. Now watch this. Akwadani was school. You see, you don't have to stress a child going through education. Akwada osuya there. You don't create a stressful environment for that child. And yesterday I told you, education is meant to solve problems. So if your education cannot solve any problem, then it means that your education is a problem.
News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
Watching juicy news
on YouTube. Hot
don't
news
was
all
saying
time.
no what we do on school or Marco solve a problem. Look, education is meant to solve problems. So if your education, the education of any country, is not able to solve any problem, then it means that that education itself is a problem. So Ghana's education is the biggest problem. That's it. So therefore, Akwadani was schooler or try final exams. No, we're choosing the schools. I know choosing schools. No, we're trying the final exams. No, we're Bafie. No, we're catching any mommy. And the papa said, "Ma, school now, I'm casting choosing. And one of me choosing here. Na Akwadani post or ye Christoni, and that's why ye Muslimia. We're born payachre Allah. We're born payachre Christo. Say, on track. No, it's when your school no choosing ye nako. It is say ya me no kase no. Akwada no ni school bia okọ school bia na oba no ochusi.
Le.
What if they say Asantini na education minister me na me ka kire wo. I'm not doing tribal politics. I know what is happening at Jubilee House. But me musa Nana Addo ni deputy minister bi no. Ntokwa na ba Nana Addo sha green.
Wani.
Then sa deputy minister no. Oni Nana Addo yiyi ye keka na adwen kire president.
Mayana.
Also deputy minister wanya de wumua de. Deputy minister wumua de. Wujina president anim. Onu nie wunie wutimi hwe president anim keka wadwen poto ka kire so pa oyi wadi. Hey deputy minister. Hey bra deputy minister. Why are you?
King of morning shows.
You wrote a post about me on Facebook and you went to delete it. I don't know who deleted it, Mr. Deputy Minister. Say who's who make cry the Nanado, Onjina Manim. Would you Onjina when him? Hey, Mr. Deputy Minister.
As someone
a branch net to Canadian Nanado Poto, a cadec old man to blow. As someone Nah. Bawumia bodyguard the office of the president. One yabono.
Smart.
Padi ne gwa obi o. Me dem mo obi adi o. Obi abu obi. We gwa no poto o Jubilee House. They are aware. And talk na course no. We are aware. Because Jubilee House here you see. Meaning tokro bia because Kufo se ni edi the chiko. You call your glass credit channel pedias Lord and buy.
Daybreak. This is the
Jubilee House to
morning shows.
Someone who are not crossing a more
anymore.
Wow, yeah, man, who Jubilee has I try.
This is Captain.
Yeah, no enemy. Why ya be a slow wire?
Okay.
Satupa Komubua, what didn't ding into me saying,
Wait.
Fedoton chain. Me repeat Beno.
Yo, waiting for because just news so and now what I know. Say we now subscribe here, but what they say over subscribe since I had the latest in what you see Kwana the now feel so we are one like video don't na feel share my offer so now when you be here now we are so will Ghana my also get me actually what you Afriyie and so we now will comment boxing in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.